How to add Klarna to Shopify Store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on Payments to access the payment section of your Shopify store, from which you need to scroll down to the additional payment methods and click on Add Payment Method. Using the search bar, search for Klarna and then click on it. And as you can see, it tells us that 3 providers are offering this payment method. They basically all work the same way, but we will go with Klarna itself and click on Activate next to it. You will be brought to this information page in which they tell you about Klarna and stuff like that. And you can even learn more about if you visit their website. However, we will scroll down to the account status at the bottom and click on Connect. And what will this do is it will install the app on your Shopify store but not activate it. In order for you to activate the app, you need to go, it will redirect you to your Klarna account, and from there you need to add your information and stuff like that, which I'm not going to do because obviously I won't show and disclose my information, my personal information, but it's a simple process that everyone can do. So that is it for this video. That's how you can link and connect Klarna to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.